It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, September 15th. I'm James Spann. The weather stays nice and quiet for a while with a warming trend through the weekend. Check it out. Polar jet stream well to the north, a ridge developing over the eastern U.S. Little high-level moisture creeping in from the Gulf today, but underneath that, the air is very dry, so no rain. Temperatures are mostly in the low 80s around here. Birmingham, 80. We'll expect mid-80s tomorrow and Thursday, upper 80s by Friday and the weekend. Convective outlook, needless to say, no severe weather problems around here. A marginal risk for parts of the western high plains. Rain, how about nothing for the next 5 days? Valid through Sunday morning. Maybe a few widely scattered showers around Mobile or Dothan later this week, but even there, not much. The big rains across central and south Florida. Tropical weather. Watching a couple of waves off in the deep tropics, one in the central Atlantic, one in the eastern Atlantic, and really both of those are going to be gaining latitude and should not affect the United States if they develop at all. And there's that mass of disturbed weather in the Gulf. That is disorganized. Upper winds do not favor any development there. So let's look at modeling. What do you say? The 12Z GFS valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Big trough in the west. And we got a ridge in the east. Down below that, for us, another nice day tomorrow. The sky partly to mostly sunny with low to mid-80s. Could be a few isolated showers down around places like Andalusia, Enterprise, and Dothan in southeast Alabama, but not here. Thursday, warm and dry. Mid-80s are likely. And Friday, mostly sunny with a high in the upper 80s. No lightning delays for high school football games this week. Sky will be clear both Thursday and Friday night. No problems for college football games around here Saturday. Sky should be sunny, and again, upper 80s are likely. For the Auburn fans headed down to LSU, how about 90 at kickoff in Baton Rouge? It'll be hot. Alabama plays a night game. They'll be cooling off in the 70s in Tuscaloosa. That game kicks off at 8:15 against Ole Miss. And Sunday, same thing. We're dry. A weak front to the north of the state really losing its identity. And very warm with the ridge. Upper 80s are likely. And Monday of next week, we've seen other runs that suggest maybe a few showers. This is suggesting no, it stays dry. We'll probably hang on to a slight chance of a shower, but certainly that doesn't look like a wet day at all. That looks like a mostly sunny day. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, September 22nd. Got a flat 588 ridge here, and again, basically warm and dry, mid-80s. Maybe a shower with another weak front coming in from the north, but doesn't look like a big rain event at all. Here's the end of the forecast, the end of next week, Friday, September 25th, 588 ridge west of the state. The polar jet stays mostly in Canada, and it's the same story. Dry. Temperatures coming off the ensembles. Highs in the 80s for a while, lows in the 60s, although we cool down a bit toward the end of the month with some 70s and 50s showing up. And again, those numbers not that far away from seasonal values for this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.